It's creamy, cozy, earthy, and just a little fancy. Today we are making butternut squash chicken truffle risotto, comfort food with a gourmet twist. Start by cutting one medium butternut squash in a half lengthwise. Carefully peel off the skin using a peeler, then slice into even cubes for even roasting. Place the cubes into mixing bowl, drizzle with a tablespoon of avocado oil, season with pinch of salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and a dash of red chili flakes. Toss everything well until the squash is beautifully coated. Spread the seasoned squash evenly on a lined baking tray, roasted in a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Now let's prepare the chicken. Drizzle with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, pinch of salt, black pepper, chili flakes, Italian seasoning, and a touch of a cayenne pepper for heat. Grate in 2 garlic cloves and squeeze in the juice of half lemon. Mix well and coat both sides of the chicken generously. Let it rest for a few minutes to soak it all that flavor. Heat a pan over a medium heat. Cook the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes per side until golden outside and juicy inside. Once fully cooked, remove from the pan and let it rest. Then shred the chicken gently using 2 forks. In a deep pot, heat a drizzle of avocado oil on a medium heat. Add a finely chopped half onion, 2 to 3 minced garlic cloves. Now add half a cup of chopped mushroom. Saute about 5 minutes, just until they soften and turn lightly golden. Next, add 1 cup of truffle risotto rice. Stir well, then add the seasoning, salt, and the freshly ground black pepper. Pour in about 400 ml of warm chicken lemon garlic broth. Add a handful of fresh spinach, beautifully into creamy rice. Let the risotto cook gently for 25 to 30 minutes and then add the cooked chicken. Mix well. Add half cube of butter for that creaminess. Once the butternut squash is done, take it out from the oven and mix well together. Once your risotto is perfectly creamy and soft, spoon it gently into warm serving bowl. Now add a touch of brightness with a fresh lemon zest. Sprinkle with a generous layer of grated Parmesan cheese. Add for the final flourish a few delicate shaves of black truffle, deep and earthy. Finish with a drizzle of avocado oil. If this brought comfort to your day, don't forget to like and subscribe. I share soulful, healing recipe every week. Let's grow glow together right here at Soulful Kitchen.